What it do, what it do, what it do, what it do. It is morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm up here early because I'm going to make breakfast. So I thought I'd let you join me in making a good breakfast, okay? It's not a lot. It's something simple. Instead of going to Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks to get breakfast, why don't you make your own? So I'm going to show you today in the Veganlicious kitchen how to make corn muffins, okay? Simple and easy to make. I hit my nail. I have nails now, guys. I've never had nails. These are my nails, but I'm learning how to navigate with them. I keep hitting them and it hurts. So, okay, welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. So, let me show you all the ingredients that you're gonna need to make these corn muffins, okay? I had nails before, don't get me wrong, but my nails are always short. But now they're long because I'm doing the S&S now, and I don't know how good S&S is good, but I don't know, what chemicals are involved in the S&S. But they have been helping with the growth of my nails. Okay, anywho, let's carry on. I'm going to grab the ingredients for these corn muffins and show you guys step by step on how to make them. Okay, let's get started. The ingredients for your corn muffins are applesauce. You're going to need 1 cup of applesauce, okay? Mine is unsweetened applesauce, okay? Coconut sugar. This is organic coconut sugar. Not sure if I'm going to use this yet, but I think I'm going to. I might just use maple. But coconut sugar, if you have it, if you don't, you can use maple syrup, okay? Baking powder, of course we're baking, so baking powder is a necessity. Organic, unbleached flour. Unbleached, people, get it through your head, unbleached. Unbleached keeps all the nutrition in the flour. We don't want bleached flour, because guess what? They bleached it. Just like you bleach your clothes, yeah, they bleached that flour. Walnut milk. I'm using walnut milk. You heard correct. It's just water, filtered water, and walnuts. 2 ingredients. You see the number 2? 2 ingredients. It's not a bunch of chemicals in it, okay? Again, we're going to use cornmeal, okay? We're making corn muffins. And we're going to use some pink Himalayan salts, okay? That's all your ingredients. That's all you need, okay? And I don't know what you drink in the morning when you get up, but it should be a matcha. Here's my matcha. And this is a different matcha that I brought from the store. You see, it says matcha superfood mix. So there's plenty of good stuff in this bag of matcha. 1 being matcha powder, maca powder, moringa leaf, wheatgrass, barley grass, and it's all organic. Okay, so that's my go-to drink in the morning. But before I drink this, I always drink spring water. A bottle of water should be the first thing you put in your body when you wake up, okay? No ands, ifs, or buts about it. Water cleans all the toxins out your body and, keeps you lubricated so you can move with no problems. You don't want to be stiff, okay? So drink water and it cleans the shit out your body. Okay, so enough of that. I have other stuff to talk about, but let's get to cooking. Let's grab the utensils we're gonna need and put this stuff together so we can eat breakfast, okay? So let me get the measurements going. Okay, let's measure. First, okay, I don't know how many people you have in your household that you need to feed, but I'm going off of measurements for what's here in my household. And I have a tribe in my household, but the tribe is not here right now, okay? So, I'm just making these for me. So, I'm not going to use much ingredients. Okay, so first thing, I'm using 1 cup of flour. Okay, the unbleached all-purpose flour. Let's pour that in. All right, something else I wanted to talk about. Like, I'm talking about the first things you should do, what you should put in your body when you wake up. Let me tell you what you should put in your mind, in your spirit. Before your feet hit the floor every morning, you should have a talk with God, okay? Whoever your maker is, have that talk before your feet hit the floor. Thank him for waking you up. And whatever else you need to have a discussion about. Before you walk out that door and talk to other people, talk to God first. There's people out there that's looking to distract, interfere, and destroy. Okay? So God will walk with you and block them all. Okay? Okay? Make sure you do that. He ain't say it ain't gonna happen, but he's there with you to help you get through it. Praise God. Praise God. Praise God, people. Okay. That's 1 1/4 cup of flour I'm using. Okay. Now, I'm going to put in 1 cup of cornmeal. Okay. Let's put this to the side. Corn. Okay. Do that first, people. Okay. Before your feet hit the floor, getting out your bed. Thank you. Okay. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoonful of salt. So this is the grinder, so I'm just going to grind. Just grind it out. That's 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon baking powder. Put that in there. Then we're going to put 2/3 cup of sugar. I don't have a I do have a 2/3 cup of sugar. Let me get that. Hold on one moment. Here's my measuring cup. I had all the little measuring gadgets I needed, but my child, she cooks too, so I don't know where she puts them. Somehow they wind up down the garbage disposal. Okay, so the sugar, 2/3 cups. That's sort of a lot of goddamn sugar, but we're going to just keep it moving. Now we're going to put 1/4 cup of the walnut milk in it. Okay, this is all healthy ingredients, okay? So 1/4 cup of milk. So this is 1 cup here. Pour it in. Now we're going to add a little bit more, 1/4 at the bottom. Pour it in. Then we're going to start mixing this up, okay? But I didn't add in one of the ingredients, which is the applesauce. And the applesauce is a substitute for egg, okay? I don't eat eggs, no. Eggs is not for me. That's somebody's baby, and I ain't eating nobody's babies, okay? So I'm going to use applesauce. And that goes for I don't eat eggs. So if you offering me something that might have been made with eggs, I don't want it. If it's scrambled egg, whatever type of egg, I don't want it. I don't eat any animal byproducts, okay? So we're gonna mix this up. I should have mixed up all the dry ingredients first, then added in my wet ingredients, but I didn't do it that way because I'm busy here running my mouth. But I have a mixer. My daughter brought me a mixer for the holidays. So that was a thoughtful gift because she knows her mom being here cooking. All right, so I'm gonna mix it up and then we're gonna place this into the oven. And place it in my ceramicins, okay? They're little ceramic cups that you can use for baking. Okay, so let's start to mix it. This is my first time using this, so hope you don't make a mess. Okay, then I'm left-handed, so it's a little awkward. Okay, do it gently. Okay, so it's mixed mixed up. Now let's throw this in the sink. Now I'm pour this into my ceramicins and throw them in the oven. Let me show you my ceramicins. So here's the ceramicins, in case you was wondering, what the hell is she talking about? That's a ceramican, okay? It's a little cup, gives you individual portions, okay? So nobody gets to overeat around here. You're gonna get one and one only. Okay, so I'm gonna place my batter into my cups. I'm gonna spray my cups with, that's coconut oil. Put them in the oven at 375 and let them cook for at least 30 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. You know, poke a fork in it to make sure no batter comes off on your fork, and that's how you know when they're done. So I'll come back with my corn muffin to let you know how they taste. Good. My corn muffins, and they came out looking delicious. Okay, now let's keep in mind, I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. Okay, anywho, I'm gonna pan down so you can see what the coconut muffins, corn muffins look like. There they are. I know you're usually used to seeing it look yellow, right? But keep in mind, I used brown coconut sugar. So of course, you're seeing the brown coconut sugar in the muffins. So I'm gonna use the vegan butter, and we're gonna taste the muffin. These ramekins are hot, so let me get a plate. There's my muffins. Added some butter on it. Now let me taste it. I don't know. Excuse me with my technical difficulties. Okay, I'm the cameraman. I'm the cook. I'm all that good shit. Okay, so let's see how they came out.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
They're hot, but they're delicious. I definitely recommend. We made some, and they're healthy. I ain't giving you no garbage to eat. Only healthy food for you and me, okay? I want to see you live. Okay? It ain't all about the money. It's about what am I doing to better my people, okay? And this is it. Eat plant-based. Eat to live. Don't just throw garbage in your mouth. What's the purpose of that? It ain't doing nothing. It's just filling a void that you have. Like you're hungry, I'm just going to eat anything. No, why don't you eat something that's going to give you energy, that's going to give you vitamins, that's going to give you minerals that your body needs to work properly, okay? So give these corn muffins a try and let me know how you like them. Did I forget to tell you to subscribe? I did because I was running my mouth through the whole video and I got a little distracted, but I gave you good words, okay? But subscribe, click the red button that's somewhere around your screen so you'll be notified when I post new content, new recipes, okay? So thank you for coming to the Veganlicious kitchen. Don't make it your last time here if this is your first time. Come see me again, okay? Let me tell you something. I have a vegan ebook, okay? And I also have a food page that you can order food from me. I'll cook it for you and it'll be shipped to you, okay? So, no excuses. Eat to live, eat healthy, okay? All the information you need is down below in the description box. And if you're not interested in doing either of those, my Cash App is there also. You could buy me a matcha. A matcha is like $6, $7, okay? Enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day. You already know, enjoy life. Ilovo. Go eat your muffins. They're definitely delicious.